A penny for your thoughts? Never mind, I know you're thinking about eating. What's up, kitchen kinfolk? How you doing? How your mama now? Good. You know, when it comes to cooking Bigmista's little Thanksgiving dinner, vegetables are not really a high priority. In fact, they're not a high priority in, I don't know, any meal I cook. You wouldn't believe how I have to hide vegetables around here just to get these ladies to eat them. Do any of the folks in your family pretend to be allergic to vegetables? You'd think vegetables were radioactive the way these ladies be leaning back when I put them on the table. Let me ask you, what is the one vegetable that you cook where everybody in your house just avoids it like this the plague? Let me know in the comments. I'd like to hear about that. Copper Pennies is a marinated carrot dish that I learned from my pop. My father and I cooked Thanksgiving dinner. We would start preparing stuff on Monday and we wouldn't even get done till late on Thursday. I mean, we cook so much food you need 2 separate tables for it. I really miss that old dude. And we would get together and get in the kitchen and open a bottle of champagne and he'd start cutting up his Trinity. I'd ask him, "Pop, what you cooking?" He said, "I don't know, but whatever it is, got bell pepper, celery, and onion in it." And we just get in there and we'd bond over cooking like other fathers and sons would bond over football or hunting or fishing. We bonded over meat, macaroni, and Merlot. Okay, let's hook up these copper pennies. We're gonna start with some tomato sauce. You can use tomato soup or tomato juice. Sauce is what I had. We're gonna add in a little olive oil and some Worcestershire sauce, some white vinegar, black pepper, and that is some sugar and some garlic. Feel free to use garlic, and a few healthy pinches of salt. This will be our dressing. Break out Mr. Tiny with and give him a spin. And you're going to give it a little taste. Make sure everything is blending well. And if it's not, add what you think it needs. Could be a little vinegar, or might be another pinch of salt. Do whatever you think so the flavors are all balanced. Whisk it up again and give it another taste. Yes, I washed the spoon. And if I didn't, that's my business. Next, we're going to add in our vegetables. These are our carrots, sliced carrots, about half an onion, and some bell pepper. I use yellow, but feel free to use whatever color you like. Give them all a nice mix. I'm gonna get it out sooner or later. Of course, you can mix them a little more vigorously than that. I don't know what I was doing. Oh, I was separating the onions. That's what it was. I'm wondering, why am I playing with that? Put them all in a container, and those will go in the fridge for at least an hour. Overnight, it'd be better. Okay, my wife gonna try the copper pennies.
First person got me to eat these was your daddy, and this don't look like your daddy's.
Of course, it doesn't look like his.
And his wasn't like this. You didn't do it right. These ain't my father-in-law's copper pennies. But they'll do.
They'll do?
Barely. Don't eat carrots.
Eat you some carrots. Okay, thank you. So my wife wasn't happy, so I wasn't happy. I need to figure out what I did wrong. So I thought about it. Deep thoughts. Had a little drinky drink. Figured that would get my juices flowing. I split the carrots. I just couldn't figure out what the problem was. So I went and looked back at the recipe over and over again, trying to figure out what it was that I missed. No idea what it could be. Then it occurred to me, you big dummy, you forgot to boil the carrots. They're all in the marinade now. My mama told me you don't never waste no food. So we just gonna boil everything together. Let's pour it all in the pot. We gonna soften up those carrots. Give them a good boil. They're much softer now. Give them a taste. And that's it. Appreciate y'all stopping by. We got copper pennies. See y'all at Thanksgiving.
I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down. I'ma turn it up and then I'm gonna take it down.